Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to create a 100% stacked bar chart in a dashboard. First, let's see what a 100% stacked bar chart is. A 100% stacked bar chart is a bar chart in which the bars are split into colored bar segments that are placed on top of each other. Each bar height is 100%, and the colored bar segments represent the relative contribution of each component to the total. These charts are useful for comparing proportional contributions across categories. You can distinguish each data series by the color or pattern of its segment in the stack. Each stack represents 100%. In this example dashboard, we are analyzing the bug task statuses based on their priority. We are using this bug status based on priority 100% stacked bar chart. We can see the percentage of bug task statuses in each priority category. With this type of chart, we can compare the contribution of data series parts to a total to get a detailed view across categories. Let me show you how to create a 100% stacked bar chart in a dashboard with an example. This pharma sales performance dashboard shows the drug sales performance over different states through a variety of key metrics. I am going to recreate this profit by channel 100% stacked bar chart. First, I drag and drop a 100% stacked bar chart from the toolbox into the design panel. We can resize the widget as needed. Under the Properties tab, set a suitable title for the widget. In the Assign Data tab, we can see the available columns in the connected data source. A 100% stacked bar chart requires one value element and one column element. I will bind the total profit column as the value element from the measure section and use the sum function in the element. I will also apply the currency measure formatting type to the element. I will bind the quarter year column as a column element from the dimensions section and apply sorting to it. I will further add filters to the column element. Then, I will add the sales channel column to the row element from the dimensions section and apply sorting to it. The 100% stacked bar chart has been successfully configured. Now, let me apply properties to the widget under the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, the Show Tooltip option is enabled. It can be turned off if needed, and you can switch chart types here. You can also customize the value label position and rotation. These are default properties that are applied when configuring the widget that can be customized. Now the widget is successfully recreated. This Profit by Channel widget now indicates the profit earned as the combination of multiple channels in each quarter. Some of the best practices for using a 100% stacked bar chart are: maintain a zero baseline to avoid misjudgments in category comparisons. The order of category levels must be larger to smaller unless there is a predefined order for them. Colors must be used according to the category types used in the chart. Next, I will show you a real-time dashboard example that uses a 100% stacked bar chart. In this policy claim detailed analysis dashboard, a 100% stacked bar chart is used to compare the claim amount for different insurance types over a period of time. In it, we can compare the relative contribution percentage of each category to the total bar horizontally. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned what a 100% stacked bar chart is, its use cases, how to add it to a dashboard, and some best practices for using one. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.